Welcome to my channel Divination 777. So thank you for being here. I am not going to do a general energy update this time. I have something different for you. I am only going to use oracle cards, just give you guidances. So this video will only be about guidances. And those of you who have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell so that you know whenever my videos are uploaded. So let's see what guidance you have. So this is my readings are timeless, so I hope this finds you whenever you need to hear this, whenever you need it. So angels and spirit guides, what guidances do we have for the people watching? Angels and spirit guides, what guidance? Oops, okay, sorry. I had some interference. That's too many cards, so I didn't pre-shuffle them. So angels and spirit guides. Okay, so we have finally two guidances for you here right now. So we have an opportunity knocks, so go for it. So this could be in your career area, your relationship, your family, whatever it is. So basically some opportunity is going to come towards you, so don't doubt the whatever offer comes towards you. Don't doubt that offer, just go for it. Or if you want to give someone an offer, don't think about it again and again, just go for it. So that's the guidance for you. And we have friendships, nurture your relationships. So basically nurture, just like recognize who your true friends are, who are just faking to be good friends, and who really are your friends, and you're wise enough to know that. So just connect, stop caring for people who hate you, connect with the sorry. So stop caring about the people who hate you or dislike you. Connect with people who support you. So nurture your relationship with people who support you genuinely, and do not just pretend to support you and just go behind your back and say stuff. So you know the difference, you know what I'm trying to say. So just take this guidance. So I'm being guided to take another guidance deck. So let's just go with our Moonology deck. So angels and spirit guides, what guidance would you want to give to the people watching the video right now? Okay, so a lot of you you guys are really spiritual, which is a good thing, but you need to balance out your spirituality and practicality. So a lot of you like just praying is not going to get you success or where you want. You have to take action as well. You cannot just pray like, God please give me money, God please give me money, God please give me money. It will not fall on your lap. After praying, you'll have to at least take action. So if you don't just move around, things are not going to fall in your lap. So if you want love, you need to put yourself out there. You need to go to the person you like, or you need to just put yourself on dating apps. So you have to take action. Or if you want a job, you need to apply for jobs. You have to apply for jobs. So that's where you need to balance yourself out. Only praying won't change your life. You have to take action. So prayers and actions combined can do wonders, can have just create miracles in your life. And that is the path to success. The path to success is just wonders, and wonders is equivalent to actions plus prayers, both. So they should be balanced. And this is for you guys are good enough. You have so you guys have expression issues, you can't express yourself much. My throat chakra is being blocked. So okay, getting back to the message, you are good enough, you are amazing, you're capable, you are awesome, you can achieve whatever you want. just go towards what you desire, just go towards what you're passionate about, what you want. Just communicate, just express yourself and take action towards whatever you want. You're good enough. Don't put yourself down, and don't let anyone else put yourself down. So this is I'm getting this message, like some of you are being bullied. So don't let anyone bully you. Just stand up for yourself. You don't deserve to be bullied, or don't deserve to be, ill treated. You don't deserve that. You're amazing. You're a really good person. So just stand up for yourself. Just get away from whatever toxic situation that is surrounding you. Just get out of there, and just go towards your dream. So that is where you need to balance. Just praying won't get you out of a situation, a toxic situation, or whatever situation is troubling you. You will have to make efforts also to get out of a situation, and all you have to do is just stand up for yourself. Just fight for yourself, fight for your dreams. So pray and fight for your dreams, and you will get what you want. You will get help. You will get help to get out of the situation that you're stuck in. So I think that is okay. We have one more card. Okay, you and your loved ones are safe. So don't be scared. You and your family, or the people who you love or you care about, are safe. They are very protected. They are divinely protected, and you are protecting them. So it's safe. It's safe to go ahead. It's safe to leave this toxic situation. Leave whatever toxic situation that you are in. It is safe to leave. It is safe to leave. So don't fear the situation that you're in. You can walk away. You have the power. You are capable enough. You're good enough. So this is the guidance I have for you. So if you like this video, please comment down below. I would love to hear whether this resonated with you and if it helped you. And if you want more personalized guidances or readings with me, you can DM me on my Instagram. You can email me. All the details will be given in the description box down below. So thank you for staying till the end. Hope this helped you. Love and light to all of you.